Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today I am going to discuss R.S. Agarwal. Topic is fraction. So first let's discuss about fraction. What is a fraction and the types of fraction. Then after we will discuss how to represent a fraction on a number line. Okay, how to change a fraction into mixed fraction. What is the actual mean of mixed fraction. Okay, these are the basics of fraction. Okay, so let's discuss what is fraction. Okay, so fraction, you know that suppose that you have a circle. Suppose that you have a circle and divide this circle into 4 parts and one part you want to take. Okay, one part you want to take. Suppose that this is a pizza, the shape of pizza, and one slice you want to take it. Okay, so if you take one part of the pizza and pizza divided in 4 parts, so this one part shows that 1/4. It means pizza divided in 4 parts, equal 4 parts, and one part you will take. So that part you will take is known as 1/4, and in 1/4 1 is known as numerator and 4 is known as denominator. Okay, so in a fraction two things, first is numerator and second is denominator. डेनोमिनेटर में हमेशा होल लिखते हैं. होल का मतलब जितने पार्ट में हम किसी भी डायग्राम को डिवाइड करेंगे वो हमारा हमेशा डेनोमिनेटर बनेगा, और जिस पार्ट को हम लेंगे, कलर करेंगे, शेड करेंगे, उसको हम न्यूमरेटर दिखाएंगे. इट मीन्स फ्रैक्शन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ होल. फ्रैक्शन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ होल. सपोज दैट you are taking 2 parts of this pizza. 2 part of this pizza, then you will represent 2/4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. It means you will take half of the pizza. You will take half of the pizza. Okay. Suppose that you will take in one more slice. So you will represent 3/4. It means you will take 3 part of the pizza. Okay. So this is the fraction. In a fraction, two things. First is numerator, second is denominator. The upper part is known as numerator and the down part is known as denominator. Okay. Now, how many types of fraction? So there are so many types of fraction in R.S. Agarwal. There are so many types of fraction in NCERT. There are also so many fractions. Okay, so first we discuss proper fraction, improper fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, and mixed fraction. So what is proper fraction? So let's take an example to understood about proper fraction. So proper fraction in which, suppose that 1/2, 3/5, 4/9, these are the example. So in this example you notice that numerator is smaller than denominator, numerator is smaller than denominator, and in third one also numerator is smaller than denominator. So in a proper fraction, always and always numerator is smaller than denominator. So the definition of proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is smaller than denominator is called proper fraction. Understood? Definition understood? Okay. In a proper fraction, numerator is smaller than denominator is known as proper fraction. So what is the difference between proper fraction and improper fraction? Okay, so let's take another example. 5/3, 9/4, okay, and 11/3. Suppose that these 3 examples. So in these 3 examples you will notice that 5/3, it means 5 is numerator and 3 is denominator, and 5 is greater than 3. Okay, it means in a fraction, if numerator is greater than the denominator is known as improper fraction. It means 5 is greater than 3, 9 is greater than 4, 11 is greater than 3. So these are the example of improper fraction. Okay, so let's discuss another fraction, like fraction. You know that okay, let's discuss like fraction. So suppose that let's take firstly example. With the help of example we very well understood about like fraction. So suppose that 1/2, 3/2, 9/2 and 11/2 we have to take. So you will notice that in these fractions all the denominator are same. All the denominator are same. So a fraction in which, a group of fraction in which denominator are same and numerator is different is called like fraction. Numerator अलग अलग होगा और डिनोमिनेटर हमारा सेम होगा, दैट इज नोन एज लाइक फ्रैक्शन. ओके, सो व्हाट इज अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन? जस्ट द अपोजिट ऑफ लाइक फ्रैक्शन. इट मीन्स denominator is not same, is called like fraction. So 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 6. These are the example of unlike fraction. Okay, so in unlike fraction denominator will not same, and in like fraction denominator will same. Okay, what is mixed fraction? These are the very serious question to discuss. Mixed fraction. So in a mixed fraction, two types of things are present. First is whole number and second one is fraction. Suppose that whole 2 upon 3. So you will read it like as whole 2 upon 3. It means in these fraction a whole number is present and second one is fraction. That's why it is called mixed fraction. It means whole और फ्रैक्शन का ये क्या है, मिक्सअप है. दैट्स वाई दिस इज कॉल्ड मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. एंड विच टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शन यू विल चेंज इनटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन? सो ओनली इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन यू विल चेंज इनटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. ओके, सो ओनली इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन यू विल चेंज इनटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. ओके, okay, so let's change some improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, okay, let's take an example. 13 upon 3. Okay, these are the example of improper fraction, and only improper fraction you have to change into mixed fraction. How? Divide 13 by 3. Divide 13 by 3. 3 3 ja 9. Okay, and you know that 3 4 ja 12 होगा. Okay, 3 4 ja 12 minus 1. So we will write like this: whole 4 1 upon 3. Whole 4 1 upon 3. It means improper fraction change into mixed fraction and mixed fraction change into improper fraction. ओके, ये दोनों पहले भाई बहन थे, इसीलिए दोनों एक दूसरे के जैसे दिख रहे. ठीक है, ये दोनों, ये पहले जन्म लिया, इसके बाद इसने इसका जन्म हुआ. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? अच्छा, ठीक है. सपोज दैट यू हैव टू गिवन whole 4 1 upon 3. So how will it change into mixed fraction? First you multiply 3 to 4. 3 4 ja 12 and add 1. 3 4 ja 12 plus 1. It means 13 upon 3. Okay, understood? Now the last topic is how to represent a fraction on a number line. And you know that fraction have two types. Okay, like fraction and unlike fraction. Okay, so every type of fraction you will represent on the number line: like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction. So first we discuss proper fraction. Proper fraction on number line. Proper fraction on number line. So let's take an example. Suppose that you want to represent 3 upon 5 on a number line. 3 upon 5 on a number line. So first you make a number line. Okay, you know that on a number line the positive numbers you will represent on the right side and negative numbers you will represent on the left side. Okay, so ये क्या है? पॉजिटिव है. दैट्स वाई नो नीड टू रिप्रेजेंट नेगेटिव नंबर. 0 1 2 3. If you have given a proper fraction to represent on the number line, so in a proper fraction numerator is always and always is smaller than the denominator. That's why if numerator is smaller than denominator, so this fraction always present between 0 and 1. अगर न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा होगा तो हमेशा ये फ्रैक्शन 0 और 1 के बीच में होगा. बट हाउ यू विल रिप्रेजेंट? सो in this fraction denominator is 5, so you will divide 0 and 1 into equal 5 parts. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 5 parts में हो गया. And numerator is 3, so count 1 2 3 blocks. and this is the place of 3/5 on the number line. Okay, now let's take another example, how to represent improper fraction on the number line. Okay, how to represent improper fraction on the number line. Suppose that improper fraction or mixed fraction both, suppose that 13/5. So first you change this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, so अगर हम इसको mixed fraction में change करते हैं तो 5 to 10, it means whole to 3/5 you will get, whole to 3/5. It means this mixed fraction is greater than 2 and smaller than 3. It means this fraction represent between 2 and 3, क्योंकि ये 2 से बड़ा है और 3 से क्या है, छोटा है. Okay, so let's represent. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so whole 2, तो पहले हम 0 से 2 तक जाएंगे. 0 से 1, 1 हो गया, 1 से 2, 2 हो गया. Okay, now this fraction present between 2 and 3, so 2 and 3. So how many parts of 2 and 3 you will? So denominator is equal to 5, so you will divide 2 and 3 in equal 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts हो गया. Now numerator is 3, so 1, 2, 3, and this is the representation of whole to 3/5 or 13/5. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching this video.